So I've already said I was going to talk about the bad side of AI today. And everything about technology, I've always said has a good side and a bad side. In year 2000, Lance Daly said something. He said AI was going to take away jobs from a lot of persons. AI was going to take away a lot of jobs. A large amount of persons are going to lose their jobs. Now, talking about this in 2023, you get to understand that what he was saying has started happening. For example, when ChatGPT came out, a lot of people could just go to the internet and just type anything, and they will see a full result of everything that they are looking for. When we were back then in school, if you want to start looking for assignment and the rest, it was very difficult for us to look for answers for whatever we are doing. So to some persons, this has already started solving their problem. But to some other persons, this is bad. A lot of persons that sell books, now you can just go to ChatGPT and look for a particular book, and there are a lot of websites that talks about these things. We saw a website that could generate a cartoon image of ourselves. We saw a website that could even use our picture and use somebody's picture and start acting like with just few prompts. You see that it seems like the person did so thing. You just ChatGPT and some of these other AI websites, you can easily even frame somebody. Yes. So a time will come where somebody will tell you that I don't need you to snap me because I can easily just use my iPhone and take a picture and upload it on this website, and this website will make it high-res, and this website will even help me blur my background. This website will even help me change the cloth I'm wearing. This website can help me clean up and iron the shirt I am wearing. This website will help me do this, website will help me do that. So think about all these things now as we are trying to celebrate the fact that ChatGPT is here, all other AI websites are here. Also think about the part where this might also cost us our jobs. Graphic designers now, they are not seeing it yet, but if you want to do a graphic design, you can just go online now. There are websites where you can do graphic design for yourself. There are websites where you can just do web design for yourself. There are websites where you can just do anything. Coding now, that then we were learning HTML. We use long period of time to learn HTML and the rest. Now you can just go to a website and just type whatever you want and they will give you the code of that same thing. So as we celebrate the whole thing, I saw a news recently that said the mastermind of AI has left AI because he's seeing a very scary future. Some of us are not seeing it because we are enjoying it. I always say this thing that whatever is favoring you, you don't see it as a problem unless it's not favoring you. AI is already favoring me, yes, but I'm saying this because I'm in this spot where people get to listen to me every time, listen to what I say, so they can also learn from it. That's why I'm saying it. The kind of things I see in the internet every day that AI can do scares me a lot. The movie industry has been using AI for a very long time. The green screen and the rest, they have been using that technology and it has been working fine. Now that this thing has been released generally to the entire public, it becomes a serious problem because a lot of persons will not be able to manage it. I saw an AI video of someone that was sitting in his couch in his house. Inside the software is looking like a lady, a low-cut lady, and when he puts on his glasses, in the screen, it's a different kind of glass entirely. When he speaks, the person speaks. So this can even increase the amount of fraud that people will do. So whatever we are seeing, let's not just see the good side of it, let's just also see the bad side of it. I will tell you 100%, I am scared of what AI brings. If the owner of AI is really scared of what AI can bring, what about you and I? To some person, the future is very promising. The future has a lot to offer. But to some other person, the future is very, very scary. I've seen videos where somebody used their wristwatch to pay for goods and other things. So I'm always on this part where, as I'm celebrating this, I'm also scared of what this can bring. Let's not just celebrate the fact that AI is here. Let's be very careful, with what we do with this AI. For now, the Photoshop AI is actually there, most especially for people who does photo manipulation and the rest, because some of the images, they are not really very, very high, but they are detailed, but they are not very, very high in quality for our own kind of work. But one day you see a beginner, someone that you normally sell class to and the rest, just come up and start using AI, type a prompt in AI and generate the exact kind of thing he wants. It will shock the world. Please, as we celebrate AI, let's also try and be careful with what we do with AI. If you love content like this, do it to follow me on all platforms and do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Geetee, and I'll see you on the next one.